To make the pulao, take a pressure cooker, add 2 teaspoons of ghee, add 1 tablespoon of oil. To this, I'm going to add all the whole spices: cinnamon, clove, cardamom, star anise and bay leaf. Next to this, I'm going to add 2 medium-sized onions thinly sliced. Add 2 large green chillies cut up. Once the onions have turned transparent, add 1 teaspoon of pounded ginger and garlic. Next, add 2 medium sliced tomatoes. Next, I'm going to add quarter teaspoon of turmeric powder, 2 teaspoons chilli powder, 1.5 teaspoons salt. Mix everything together. Next, I'm going to add half cup of cooked peas and 3 large potatoes that have been cut and boiled. Mix everything together. So you can see I've cut the potatoes into large pieces. We can also use baby potatoes for this recipe. Next, add half teaspoon of garam masala powder. Next, add the juice of half lemon. Next, add the chopped coriander leaves, a handful of mint leaves. Mix everything. For this recipe, I've taken 1 cup of basmati rice. Now this is a 250 ml cup. So wash it clean and add it to the cooker. After adding the rice, mix it gently. So for 1 cup of rice, I'm adding 1 3/4 cups of water. Pressure cook on medium flame for about 2 to 3 whistles. The aloo matar pulao is ready. I have 1 medium-sized cauliflower. I've cut into small pieces. I've washed it with warm water. Next, I'm going to season the cauliflowers with half teaspoon of salt, quarter teaspoon turmeric powder, 1 teaspoon chilli powder. Toss it all together. The reason why I have seasoned the cauliflowers is to give the vegetable a nice flavor. Make sure the masalas coat the cauliflowers nicely. Now keep this aside. I'm going to make the gobi pulao in a pressure cooker. Add 1 tablespoon of ghee, 1 tablespoon oil. To this, I'm going to add the whole spices: cinnamon, cloves, cardamom, whole peppercorns, star anise, mace and bay leaf. Add 2 medium-sized onions thinly sliced. Add 3 green chillies slit. Saute the onions till they are a nice golden brown color. Once the onions are brown, add 1 teaspoon ginger garlic paste, 2 large tomatoes thinly sliced and saute well. The tomatoes have become a little mushy. To this, add half teaspoon salt. Add the seasoned cauliflowers. The cauliflower has been sitting for about 15 minutes in the masala. So you can see it's coated beautifully. Next, I'm going to add some chopped coriander leaves. Finally, I'm going to add 1 teaspoon of garam masala powder. Mix it well. So you can see the masala is very simple, something that you can make with very few ingredients. This is a very quick and easy to make pulao. I've washed and soaked 1 cup of basmati rice for about 15 minutes. So gently mix the rice along with the vegetable. So don't be in a hurry to mix the rice, you can break it. So just do it gently. So make sure after adding the rice, you reduce the flame. Now for 1 cup of rice, I'm going to add 2 cups of water. Close and pressure cook on medium flame for about 2 whistles. The Gobi Pulao is done. It looks absolutely delicious. It's cooked perfectly. Serve it hot with some nice onion raita by the side. For the Palak Pulao, I'm going to chop 1 bunch of fresh palak leaves. To the pressure cooker, add 2 teaspoons of ghee and 2 teaspoons of oil. To this, I'm going to add whole spices, cinnamon, cloves, cardamom, whole peppercorns, star anise, cumin and bay leaf. To this, add 1 large onion finely chopped. Saute the onions. Next, add 2 green chillies slit. To this, I'm going to add half teaspoon of ginger garlic paste. Next, add all the spice powders, starting with 1/4 teaspoon of turmeric powder, 1 teaspoon Kashmiri red chilli powder, 1 teaspoon coriander powder, 1 teaspoon cumin powder, 1 teaspoon garam masala powder, next add the chopped palak leaves, mix it all in. Next add 1 teaspoon of salt, I've taken 1 cup of basmati rice, washed it and soaked it for about 10 minutes. Gently mix the rice. Just make sure you don't mix it too hard to break the rice. For 1 cup of rice, I'm adding 2 cups of water. Pressure cook for 2 whistles on medium flame. After 2 whistles, turn off the stove. Let the pulao rest for about 15 minutes. Now I'm going to open it. All the pressure has reduced. Wow, the palak pulao looks amazing, has a fantastic aroma to it. The pulao is ready to be served. Serve it hot with some nice raita by the side. You can get a copy of our first edition of the home cooking book on 21 frames.